Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sacred Space crate for the month of June. So a little bit later in the month than I usually do, but totally worth the wait. It smells great. The goddess is Athena. This is the June calendar. She knew it was going to be delayed, and so she sent this out via email early with all of this information for you to use, so that was very nice. I'm going to put this aside because I always look at that last. It's got an invocation to Athena. Pretty. Prayer to Athena for wisdom. Beautiful purple paper. Ooh, we got some incense. It is dragon's blood, which is my favorite. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh. Dilly bobbers. All right. Ooh, beautiful. Love that. It's Athena's wisdom candle. God, my wrist is acting up. Oh, I think it's a script. I'm just a deep dirt. Beautiful. Smells nice. So like that, and I love the seal top. I'm definitely gonna repurpose this container once the candle is gone. Ooh, plantain for bites and stings. Awesome. I love the medicine stuff. Ooh, it's green. Witch hazel leaf. Nice. I do not have any of this. It's always really a pleasure when I get something I don't have any of. So that's great. Mmm. Yum. Smells very herby. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's a beautiful little owl. Gotta keep this away from my son. He's definitely gonna try and snatch that. We got ourselves some kind of liquid here. Dragon's blood ritual oil. It's got a crystal or something in there. I can hear it. It's very mild smell. Ooh, I heard something down there. Ah! And I dropped it. Oh, we got a lip balm. Peppermint honey. Nice. Oh, there's just something in there too. Dealy bobbers are all over the place. I think I got everything out of the dealy bobs. All right. Ooh, it's a stone. Oh, it's a fluorite. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Love it. Got lots of purple. Came in this beautiful bag. All right. Let's check out this statue. Because that's been kind of like the theme this year is like so you can see the items. And then this is Athena. Alright. Oh, good. Ooh, this is a delicate little stick here. She's got chanclas. And she's dressed like a warrior. She's goddess of war, obviously, and wisdom. Cool, cool. Alright, let's read about this. Goddess of wisdom, war, and the crafts, and favorite daughter of Zeus, Athena was perhaps the wisest and most courageous, and certainly the most resourceful of the Olympian gods. Zeus was told that his son would take his throne from him, just as he had taken power from his father Cronus. Accordingly, when Metis was pregnant, he swallowed her, and Athena was born from Zeus's head, wearing armor and fully grown. A popular theme in ancient Greek art, Hephaestus is often depicted in the role of midwife, splitting Zeus's head with an axe. Athena worked by her father's side as his most trusted advisor. She always came out of war on the winning side. Athena often helped heroes like Jason and Perseus. She wore an aegis, a goat-skinned shield, which had a fringe of snakes. When Perseus killed the Gorgon Medusa, whose face turned red to stone, he gave the Gorgon head to Athena, and the goddess placed it on her aegis. I don't know if I'm saying that correct. As we venture through this year of challenges, Athena is available to you to call upon in time of need. There are times that we are faced with battles and challenges where careful planning and strategy is crucial. You can call upon Athena to aid you with developing your plan of attack on the problem at hand. Always keep in mind that Athena does not tolerate laziness, so simply asking her to take care of something for you simply won't do. She expects hard work and courage to accomplish her plans for victory. Taking time to honor her is also beneficial so that when you need her, she will happily oblige. The items in this box are curated with the intention of helping you connect with Athena. An Athena statue. She stands on strong stony ground. In her right hand she holds a spear, which represents victory, in the downward position. On her left outstretched arm, her owl, which represents wisdom, is ready to cast off in flight. She wears ornate war armor as well as the traditional helmet with plume. Her hair cascades from under the helmet down to her shoulders. Her armor from the shoulder and arm guards to breastplate and shin guards are decoratively portrayed and highlighted. Her leather battle skirt is accented with decorative belt, from which hangs her sheathed sword. Flowing behind her from shoulders to the ground is a cloak billowing in the unseen wind. Statue stands 9 inches tall and has been custom painted to match the statues in the Goddess series in past month boxes. Athena's strength. Rational, intelligent, a powerful defender in war, but also a potent peacemaker. Athena's weakness. Reason rules her. She is not usually emotional or compassionate, but she does have her favorites, such as beleaguered heroes Odysseus and Perseus. Symbols are owls, olive trees, snakes, aegis, armor, helmet, spears, gorgonion. Sacred animal is the owl. Parents is Metis and Zeus. Siblings are Artemis, Aphrodite, the Muses, the Graces, Ares, Apollo, Dionysus, Hebe, Hermes, Heracles, Helen of Troy, Hephaestus, Minos, Perseus, Porus. Roman name is Minerva. The owl gourd rattle. Adorable owl rattle was handmade in Peru by artisans under fair trade standards. After the gourds are harvested, the artisan removes the outer green skin with a dull knife, exposing the lighter brown color underneath. Then the gourds are cleaned and dried in the hot Peruvian sun. The gourd is then carved and transformed into a rattle after it's hollowed out and filled with metallic rattling pieces. In shamanic practices, we use rattles in 2 ways when calling on the goddesses: to clear the space from unwanted energies beforehand, and then again to raise our vibration while calling her to us. Owls are considered a source of protection. Owls accompanied Greek armies to war. If one flew over before battle, soldiers saw it as a great sign of victory. An owl is also a reminder to find wisdom as you sit in silence. As the owl is sacred to Athena, using owl rattle is absolutely perfect to use while working with her. Oh, it says there's a bracelet, and probably is somewhere in here. Oh, no. There's nothing in here. Okay, I will let Melissa know. I don't think I dropped it. Yeah, so there was supposed to be a bracelet, and with this in hematite, that sounds absolutely beautiful. I don't see it anywhere. I'm pretty sure that I did not miss it. Okay. So bracelet was included to assist you with protection and wisdom. 8mm beads and a goddess charm to represent your soul. Hematite absorbs negative energy and calms in times of stress or worry. It's a very protective stone and helps you stay grounded. Amethyst allows you to open yourself to receiving your own inherent wisdom, helping you to see and discern the root causes of the issue without judgment. And then Athena's wisdom candle is very cool. I spellcrafted this candle on the May full moon to call upon Athena's wisdom as an offering. You can use this candle in various ways as an offering to her. And then we have dried witch hazel leaves. Through powers of witch hazel work through powers of divination when needed, bringing forth wisdom and enchantment. Amethyst stones. Oh, on the thing. Oh, I'm sorry. I was like, oh my gosh. So witch hazel, amethyst stones allow you to open yourself to receiving your own inherent wisdom. And then quartz crystals are used to enhance any spell. White musk is to call in ancient wisdom, and white candle glitter adds visual glistening to raise the visual vibrations. Dragon's blood ritual oil, one of the most powerful conjure oils that is known to be very effective for protection. It is in fact one of the more powerful ingredients to use in any type of ritual. Drop a few drops in every corner of your home for protection and to banish negative energy. When performing candle divination, anoint purple candles for power. Black to rid negative energy or people, or just add to any spell to enhance it. So it's dragon's blood resin, olive oil, dragon's blood essential oil, and mica powder for grounding and raising vibration. A fluorite stone supports spirituality and thought, focus and concentration, and balance in all aspects of one life. Known as the genius stone, fluorite represents the highest state of mental achievement, boosting aptitude and discernment, the absorption of new information, helping one work through complex issues. This stone was charged in the May full moon. And she goes through some other benefits. I talked about the witch hazel leaf in a bottle. Although olive leaves would seem like it would be perfect herb to represent Athena, since it is sacred to her, I wanted to include a magical herb that would be more useful during battle and planning with wisdom. Witch hazel could not be more perfect magical herb for this. Witch hazel works through powers of divination when needed, brings forth wisdom and enchantment. It also brings inspiration and healing. Dragon's blood incense sticks. So for millennia, our ancestors have believed the sacred smoke raises vibrations and assists with magical practice. So when we smudge today, we also connect with our lineage in a powerful way. An invocation to Athena, a prayer to Athena, and the moon in the zodiac calendar. Bonus items. While these items may not go with the theme of the box, I like to include them because using earth magic for healing and beauty products is the basis of my practice, and I enjoy making them for you. This month, I've included both a healing product along with a beauty product. So the plantain healing salve, I love these. I collect these, the healing salves that she makes. Plantain's many medicinal attributes and healing properties allow for it to be extremely versatile and useful all-purpose healing salve. Reduces swelling and relieves pain, and even helps with drawing the stinger out of a bee, hornet, and other insect stings. Effective pain reliever and anti-inflammatory, effective against stings and insect bites, relieves pain associated with plantar fasciitis and tired or sore feet, reduces swelling and wards off infection, heals cuts, scrapes, skin ulcers, and boils, and stimulates coagulating responses to stop bleeding. And then the peppermint honey lip balm. It's so refreshing on your lips as well as healing. Made with sunflower oil that was infused with organic peppermint for 3 moon cycles and manuka honey. Great for keeping your lips soft and healthy all summer. I want to thank you for your patience this month while waiting for this box. I had an important item held up in shipping for the past month that caused me to get them out later than usual, but I really believe everything happens for a reason. I like to get these boxes out early so that you can use the moon and zodiac calendar, so I hope everyone already had received their email at the beginning of the month of the calendar. If not, then please email with me with your correct email address so that I can correct it for future notification emails. I appreciate you so very much, and I'm sending much love with this box to you. Next month's theme is Yamaya, and I cannot wait. Many blessings to you, Melissa. Awesome. Great box. Lots of really useful items. I am going to message her about the bracelet. But I love this, always the salve. I love this candle and I love the container. I do not have any of these. This protection. Dragon's Blood is a favorite. Big fluorite. Love that. The moon calendar is always great. This is so cute. I love this. It's so cute. My son is going to just flip. And the statue is really cool too. So yeah, definitely needing some Athena energy around here lately. So as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave the information in the description below, and you can check out this box. I don't know if it's sold out yet, though. It sells out pretty quickly, so definitely check it out sooner rather than later. Love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.